Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon.
Why does Dr. Mike accept money from the meat industry when we know that meat intake is linked to cancer, high cholesterol, strokes, and cardiac arrests? Dr. Mike knows the science. A well-planned vegan diet is healthy for all stages of development. So why is he ignoring the immense suffering of the animals and doing mental gymnastics to try to wiggle out of his societal duty to be an example to his patients? Is he too cruel? Is he too cowardly to go against the grain of society? Is he too weak to be able to adhere to a way of life that even small children are able to happily partake in? What's going on with Dr. Mike? Write your ideas in the comments.
The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, we will rise to protect them. The most innocent, amen. The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, you know it in your heart, and you know where to start. We will be better. We will be vegan.
Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan.
Dr. Mike, how can you sleep at night knowing what you're doing on your channel?
Would you rather pay someone to kill, or take a cute little vitamin pill? Cyanocobalamin, it's a B12 vitamin. If you take 2,000 micrograms a week, all the cells in your body will win. Let's get a quote from nutritionfacts.org. B12 is not made by plants or animals, but by microbes that blanket the earth. These bacteria grow in the guts of animals, which is why their body and products can be a source of this vitamin. Our herbivore primate cousins get all they need ingesting bugs, dirt, and feces, and we may have once gotten all we needed by drinking out of mountain streams or well water. But now we chlorinate our water supply to kill off any bugs, so we don't get a lot of B12 in the water anymore, but we don't get a lot of cholera either. That's a good thing. Would you rather pay someone to kill, or take a cute little vitamin pill? Cyanocobalamin, it's a B12 vitamin. If you take 2,000 micrograms a week, all the cells in your body will win. Be better, be vegan.
Dr. Mike, how can you sleep at night knowing what you're doing on your channel? Recently, I just checked it out because I check it out every once in a while because you do say some good things. I agree with a lot of what you're saying. I am a registered nurse. I worked as a nurse for 25 years before becoming a teacher. So, I check up on your facts sometimes. And yeah, for the most part, you're doing well. But when it comes to the meat industry, you taking money from them to promote their products, do you not find this to be unethical? Considering the suffering these animals go through? And this sort of lie that you perpetuate about grass-fed and free range, you know that's BS. You know that these animals are still hung upside down, where their joints are broken from the weight of it, and their throats are slit as they plead for their lives and feel so betrayed by those who took care of them. You know that they suffered a bloody death, a painful death, unnecessarily. So how can you promote these products
You also know what happens to chickens, these so-called free-range chickens. I'll give you the example that I use often. It would be like you being in an elevator with 12 people, except that you're all each in your own little cage. So they take away all the cages, but you're still 12 people in an elevator. This is how chickens live. They have so little space. They don't get to see the sun. They don't get to see the sky. But you're perpetuating this lie that somehow these animals have happy lives. They're all murdered way before they reach old age. So how can you sleep at night knowing that you're doing this? I'm asking you to stop getting money from these industries, and I'm asking you to start encouraging healthy vegan foods. You've also gone ahead and compared beef to Beyond Burgers in a way on your thumbnail that makes it sound like Beyond Meat is such a terrible thing. And you know it's not. 20 grams of protein in each patty. And the fact of the matter is that we don't even need to eat either of these. Why don't you tell your audience that they should make bean burgers and lentil burgers and bring them in the direction of sanity, of empathy? I know you took an oath that says you should do no harm. You might think to yourself that it has nothing to do with the animals, but it does, because without the animals, without a proper ecosystem, none of us are going to survive here on this planet.
Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be loved, be vegan. Being vegan doesn't mean that you just do your best not to eat, wear, or use animals. Being vegan also means you bravely speak out to defend them.
So I'm asking you, stop promoting the meat industry and start promoting healthy vegan foods more often on your channel.
We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them. We fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them, and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.
Look in the mirror and sing this song, sing I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song, sing I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things, never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy